students. Good afternoon everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Okay students, welcome back again to computer class. Let's see our today's class. Shall we start? Today we are going to see continuation of the topic chapter 5, fun with paint. Okay. Last week we have seen about paint, right? Paint window. What we have seen in last class regards paint? We have seen about starting paint, how to close paint and using of tools, right? What are the tools we have seen? Can you say? Can you remember? Yes, the first thing is pencil tool. And the next thing is brushes tool. And the third one is line tool. Am I correct? Okay. Today also we are going to see continuation of that topic. The first thing is saving a drawing. That means after you drawn something on the paint window, you need to save that. If you want to save that for your future purpose, how you will save. That only we are going to see in this topic. Okay, saving a drawing. After creating a drawing, you can save it on your own computer. Okay, this will help you to view it in the future. You can also make changes to it. When you save a new drawing for the first time, you will need to give it a name. Okay, then only you can find out easily in future. If you give correct name or clue words for saving that paint, it will be easy to find out in future. Here some steps are given to save a drawing. Okay, the first step, you need to click the paint button first. Next, click the save option. When you click paint button, some options will be visible. In that, you need to click save option. Then the save as dialog box appears. When you are saving at the first time, then the save as dialog box will appear. Okay. From that, you need to select the drive and the folder where you want to save your drawing in the computer. After that, in the file name box, you need to type the name of the file. Okay. That file name is optional. Whatever you want, you just give. Then in the save as type drop down box, select the file format in which to save the drawing. Okay, first you need to type file name, type the name of the file. After that, you need to select file format. File format means it may be in PNG, JPEG, MPEG, GIF, BMP. It will be in any other mode. Okay, you can select the file format for your drawing. And the last thing is you need to click save button. Let's see once again about saving the drawing. You will click paint button. You will click paint button. Then some options will be visible. In that you are selecting save option. Suddenly save as dialog box will be open. In that you need to select the document or select the place to save your drawing. Then type your file name and select your file type and then click save button. Okay. Then the next thing is starting a new drawing. When you start to draw one new drawing, what you need to do? what you have to do, that only we are going to see under here. Here also some steps are given. First thing, you need to click paint button and then click new option. Okay, when you click paint button, some options will be visible, right? In that we have seen about save option. Now we are choosing new option, okay, to draw a new drawing. Here you just click the new option. Then if you have not saved the picture that you are drawing, paint will display a message box. Okay, if you are not saved your drawing before, means one message box will be appear. In that message box ask you if you want to save that drawing or not. That message box will ask you to save or not. Okay, then you need to select save or don't save. Actually, when you are opening or when you are trying to draw a new picture in the paint option, paint window, you will select new option. At that time, that one dialog box will come. In that message box, it will ask you to save or not save. If you are selecting save option, means that drawing will be saved in your computer. If you are selecting not save options, means that drawing will not be saved in your computer. Okay, let's see once again. When you are click your paint button on the monitor, some options will be visible. In that you are selecting new option. That time one message box will be appear. In that you need to select save or don't save. Okay, the next thing is about opening an existing drawing. That means already you have drawn something using paint option. That drawing you save that drawing also. So the drawing will be in your computer, right? You need to take that. When you want to take that back again, means you can use these steps. Okay, opening an existing drawing. What are the drawings are existed in your computer? If you want to take that, you just do the following steps. First you need to click the paint button and then click open option. Okay, first we have seen about save option, next we have seen about new option. Now to open existed drawing, we are clicking open option. Okay, when you click the open option, the drawings will be appear. Okay, already you have drawn something on the paint window now. You can see all the paints, all the drawings. From that you can select the drive and the folder. You have saved in different folder, different file types, right? From that file types will be visible at the second step. You are selecting the drive and the folder. Then select the drawing and click open button. Okay, the first thing you are clicking paint button and select open option. That time the drive folder will be visible for you where you saved your drawings. From that you need to select drive or folder, and then from that folder or from that drive you can select your drawing. After that you need to click open button. Okay, this will open the drawing in paint. Let's see deeply once again. When you click paint button, some options will be visible. In that you need to click open option. Okay, at that time you can look the folders. From that you need to select respective folder. From that you can select your drawing already you have saved in your computer. At final you need to click open button, that open option, then your drawing will be visible. Okay, here we can use some shortcuts. Let's see that. To save your drawing you can use shortcut, that is Ctrl+S. in your keyboard, one control key will be there. Okay, that key is called control key, but it will be spelled as CTRL. Okay, you need to click that control button and the alphabet key S together. Okay, you need to press together control and S to save a drawing. If you want to open new drawing, you need to press control plus alphabet key N together. At the same time, you need to press both the keys, control key and N key. And if you want to open existing drawing, you need to click control key plus alphabet key O together. Okay, control plus O. So 3 shortcuts are given. To save a drawing, you need to click control plus S. To open a new drawing, control plus N. To open an existing drawing, control plus O. Okay, my dears, I hope you all understood today's topic. What are the chapters we have seen today? What are the topics we have seen? Saving a drawing, starting a new drawing, and opening an existing drawing, right? At last, we have seen about some shortcuts. Okay, let's go through once again here. Learn your lessons well. I will send answer for this topic, Fun with Paint. Take your book, page number 53 and 54. You just mark your answers in your computer textbook and also copy answers for the question answer in your notebook, okay, computer notebook, and send me snapshots. Okay, my dears, thank you. We'll meet in the next class. Bye bye. Take care.